Hi guys, welcome back to another video for Nomadic Beach Bums. We hope you're enjoying the content till now. Since we thought that you guys don't know a lot about us, so we thought that we can do a little fun fact series for you guys. So, go. Fact number one, he loves photography. He has a photography YouTube channel, which we're going to link in the caption.
One fun fact about her is that she loves maintaining an Excel sheet for literally everything. Like everything. If she has to take one step ahead, she'll mention that in the Excel sheet as well.
Yeah, I have a daily routine, like a daily Excel sheet, and then I cross the tasks in that every day. Fun fact, he loves cooking. He makes amazing pasta.
Oh yes, I know. That's how I got her.
Yes.
You know. Another fact about her is that she has a person in her life who, if it was a guy, she would probably be dating or getting married to that person itself. But right now she can't because, for obvious reasons.
So he's talking about my sister
Yeah.
Jyoti. She's my soul.
It's a sister.
She's my soul sister. And yes, that's a fact.
Yeah.
Fun fact about him. So he had started a cloud kitchen somewhere in 2017 in India, which was called Urban Box. But then it shut down because of COVID.
I'm an ex-hotelier turned into a photographer / content creator.
You.
Her favorite food is penne pasta. Like, everyone has their own comfort food. That's comfort food for her is Chinese, but she'll always go for a penne pasta wherever that too in pig sauce.
Oh yeah.
In any Italian restaurant, she'll always order penne pasta. That's it. She'll not go for anything else.
Yes.
That's so boring.
Everybody around me, I think, knows this already, that my comfort food is Indo-Chinese, not authentic Chinese, and my happy food, celebration food, party food, whatever you call it. Like if I have to go celebrate something, if I have to give a treat to somebody or somebody has to give a treat to me, they can take me simply to any restaurant which serves a good pink sauce penne pasta.
Alright, the next fact about her is that she loves fulfilling wish for everyone. Like, if you have a wish, she has a wish box. You write it down and put it in that, and she'll fulfill it for you.
No, that's wrong. I don't have a wish box, but yes, if I see somebody or if somebody tells me that they want something, or if I see somebody wanting or asking for something, I do try to make sure that the person gets that thing.
The wish box is WhatsApp, so just message her.
Yes. The next fact about him is he loves putting ketchup in legit everything. Like even if he'll have dal chawal at home, he'll
No.
still. Yes, you do a lot of times. So he'll put like ketchup with it, and I hate that about him.
Not in dal chawal, sorry.
You go.
She has like 40 pairs of shoes, yet she only wears one. The rest of it is probably lying in the cupboard somewhere, and I don't know who's wearing it then.
So I actually have 2 cupboards full of shoes, and yeah, I think even more than 40 pairs.
That you know.
Maybe. Okay. Another fact about him is he is very not OCD honestly, but then very cleanliness freak, like very hygiene freak. Like when he is cooking, he will clean his hand, like he'll wash his hands after every activity, honestly. Like if he'll cut tomatoes, he'll go and wash his hand. He'll come back, he'll cut onions, he'll go wash his hand. He'll come back, stir something, he'll go wash his hand. So yeah.
Because I don't want to contaminate, food contamination, cross contamination, if you guys know.
Sure. Go ahead.
About next fact about her is if there is a cockroach or an ant or a mosquito roaming around her, you know, she can't do that. She let it go. जा बेटा जी ले अपनी
Yeah.
जिंदगी.
I'll not kill any cockroach, I'll not smash any cockroach, any spider, any ant, mosquito, nothing. I don't even use those electric bats for mosquitoes. I don't purposely kill any living being. Another fact about him is, this is very weird. So he's 33 now. He's from India. He's a Indian boy of 33 years old, and he's never been to Thailand.
What do you have to say with Indian boys and Thailand relationship? I know, not Thailand but Bangkok. Yeah, I've never been to Bangkok. Even though I've
Thailand.
traveled across the Europe, but yeah, that's one destination that we'll probably go together.
No, I mean,
Not you? Thank God, I can do my bachelor's there then. The next craziest fact about her, that she can sleep anytime, anywhere. I don't have to explain this. You guys already know. What does that mean? She can sleep in the car. She'll even sleep at the restaurant. You know, when we are out enjoying a couple of drinks, you know, she'll sleep,
yeah. So
leaving me alone, doing all the jazz.
maybe you guys must have already seen in our videos. I have slept in a restaurant when we were in Georgia.
Yeah, that too with loud music.
I've slept in open air cinema. It was
Yeah.
a date that I took
She
him.
planned
Yeah,
and then she slept. Who does that?
me. So yeah, that's true. Another fact about him is not a phobia. I don't think I can call it a phobia, but he's scared of spiders.
Yeah.
What
I
am
can kill it wherever
What
I
am
see
I
it.
scared of?
You? Me.
You. We hope you enjoyed the video. Do give us a thumbs up if you really liked the video. Do comment down below what fact did you find the most interesting.
The funny
And-
as well.
Yes, the most funniest as well. Do also comment on what kind of content do you want us to create.
And do subscribe to the channel as well.
Oh yes,
Bye.
do that.
Don't
Bye.
forget to do that. Hit that red icon. Smash it.
Thank you. Bye-bye.